In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this Earth atmosphere material. This is for the cycles renderer. This material will not work with Eevee. Let's create a UV sphere, and press Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click to shade smooth. Shift-D to duplicate, and S to scale a bit larger. Now we have two spheres. Let's add a new material and select the primary node. Press Ctrl T to add a new image texture. We need to have a Node Wrangler add-on activated to use the Ctrl T shortcut. I'll share the image's download link in the description below. Now that we have the Earth ready, we need to work on the atmosphere. There are a number of ways to create the atmosphere material. The easiest one would be like this. But what we need is a glowing edge material. We'll not get that result if we're just using alpha nor transmission options. Here are the full nodes. The layer weight node will provide a tiny bit of details, and it can be removed. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.